Hi guys, it's Lauren and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Ow! I feel so lightheaded. Should I sit? And then I'm too short. I did it!
Bye.
So in today's video, I'm going to be attempting to make my own Chanel bodysuit. I always see these custom Chanel pieces that people make. It's not like Chanel, but they just make it on their own because they like Chanel. And I always think they're so cute. And I decided during this quarantine, I'm going to try and learn how to make my own. How hard can it be? I'll let you know after this video. So I was going back and forth between creating like a crew neck or a bodysuit or a t-shirt or a tank top. And in the end, I decided to do a bodysuit because I feel like I haven't really seen anything like that out there, Chanel wise. So I just bought this bodysuit off Amazon. I bought this Chanel patch, I don't know if you can see it, off of Creopiece, I don't know how to pronounce it. And then I got all these letters off of Joanne. It's an online craft store. It's an online craft store. So yeah, let's hope this goes well. So before I started the video, I cut out all the letters on here. I used scissors because when I was pulling it, it was pulling out like the, what's it called? Fabric? I don't know. It was messing it up. So I just cut it and then
Excuse me.
I practice with a letter. I cannot stop burping. And then I practice with a letter on a random piece of cloth to make sure that I wasn't gonna mess up the bodysuit I just bought. So yeah, I don't really know how this is gonna go, but I'm hoping that it goes well. So let's get started. So I know you're over there. I don't really know how to make you here. You know what? Actually, I'm gonna go get my brother. Just one sec. Am I upside down?
It's not all he clicked.
Oh. So I recruited my brother to help me. He's gonna hold the camera. I am struggling to hold this thing. Okay, so you're gonna hold it there. Don't get my toes in it because they're not cute. So I took the piece and then I have a ruler to make sure everything's even. Don't look at my nails because the ratchet is. So before I do it, I'm gonna run the, what's this called? Iron? The iron over it to kind of smooth it out, warm her up a little bit, you know. I'm gonna do the back too because you're supposed to do that. So I'm gonna do the back, smooth her out a little bit. I feel like I'm gonna pass out. I'm like really hot. Are you hot?
No.
Awesome.
We are wearing a long sleeve heavy sweater. And sweatpants.
I'm breathing heavy. I'm so out of shape. Okay, so let's flip her over. So I'm really nervous. I hope this works. So I think I'm gonna do the big piece first. I want her like right there. So let's center this. I'm scared. I hope I don't waste a bunch of money. That looks center, right? Here, wait, I can do this. I'm gonna go like here. I told you she'd scratch at the door. You rang? Molly's gonna wanna come in now. Gosh darn it. There's a hot iron. Don't, she's already messing stuff up. Okay, get out. Molly, I love you. You have to leave.
Molly,
out,
go.
Out.
Go.
I love you. Leave. She doesn't want to leave. Oh, I love smelling my dog's paws. You all smell our dog's paws? It's literally my favorite smell in the world. Okay, so now, it's not? Yes, it is. It's centered. It's centered. So I'm gonna iron it on now. I'm gonna hold it down for 5 seconds and then slowly move it. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now slowly go back and forth so you don't fuck it up. It's not burnt. Okay, I'm gonna do it a little longer. I don't think it looks like it's sticking on. It's staying, so let's do it from the back as well. Okay, I feel like I'm gonna do it one more time on the front. It's kind of crooked. I don't care. Okay, I'm gonna do it like one more time. Okay, I'm just gonna leave it for now and I'm probably gonna go over it again. Okay, so I'm gonna put this down in the center and then I'm going to make the word Chanel. Oh, that's not an H. Chanel. C-H-A-N-E-L. So that would mean you split the center.
Big move right there.
Does this look even to you? Do it from the center. I can't tell. I think it looks pretty even.
It's a bit far on this side.
That's what I thought. Not oh well, Sam. You have to make it perfect.
Perfection can never be achieved, Lauren. You know that.
Yes, it can.
Well, except
has
for
to.
perfect stupidity, that's you.
He's so mean to me. Okay. Dropbox. I feel like that looks pretty even. You're so close to my face. Do I even look attractive?
When do you ever look attractive?
I asked you to film my YouTube video, not roast me. Thank you.
I told you. That's why you don't.
I have to do it all at once.
Just hold it down. Don't pick it up because then it'll stick.
Look just to see.
Yeah.
It's straight. Straight. It's straight. Okay. So I just did the Chanel.
I was watching Netflix when I did this. Why did I come up?
I think it looks pretty even, honestly. So now let's do it from the back to make sure it really sticks on. I'm kind of just guessing where it's at. Okay, I think I'm gonna do the front a little bit more just to make sure it's really on there. But I'm really happy with how this is coming out so far. I have a feeling the Chanel patch isn't gonna stay on because the corners keep coming up, but I feel like I just need to let it cool off. I just feel like I need to let it cool. You rang again? Not even just, Molly, you're gonna knock this over. I know you are because you're a klutz. Don't even try and sniff this because it's not gonna be a fun sniff, sweetheart. You need to leave. Out. Out. Come on. Out. The beginning of this video, I hit my heel. Molly, leave. I really feel like see how it kind of lifts up right there? Like right here. I feel like if I put it on, it's just gonna like peel. I guess I can try and do this a little longer, but maybe after I put the heat on, I won't touch it at all and just let it cool off because I'm sure that's not helping. I don't know what's happening to me right now. I'm gonna let it sit for like 10 minutes after this and then I'm gonna try it on and show you if it worked or not. Okay, I'm gonna let it sit for a hot sec. Unplug this so no one dies and I'll be back in 10 minutes to let you know how it went. Okay guys, so this is how it turned out and I'm so happy with how it looks. The letters are actually staying on, so I'm hoping they stay on for a while. I have a feeling they may fall off later, but if they do, I'm just gonna iron it back on. But I love this bodysuit. I think it's so cute and I'm gonna wear it all the time. But I have it with sweatpants right now, but you could wear this with jeans, you can wear it with sweats, you could wear it with those new shorts that are coming back into trend, like the high-waisted, almost like Bermuda type shorts. But yeah, I think this is super cute. I'm also gonna take it outside in the sun so you can get a little better lighting and see the full outfit. guys so much for watching this video. I really appreciate it. If you like this video, be sure to hit the like and subscribe button, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!